one brand new Stackmat Timer. So, we're going to start off by reviewing the square one. And by the way, this is the Kilominx. And so we're just going to move this here and review it. And I need to open it, so I need to figure out where the opening is. Okay, so here's my first square one, and I don't really know how this turns, so okay, that it turns like that. Only 180 degrees, and we can do this. Oh, that's actually really cool. I did not know that. So we cannot turn it like this, but we can turn it like this. On the blue and the green side, there's a bar, so we can't turn it. But they're like little chunks, so we can turn it. So these are edges and these are corners on each side. So I'm just gonna shuffle it up and yeah, I don't know what else this little stuff for, but I can't do the turn. I have like a big lockup. So we'll move on to the next puzzle. Here's an opening. And I don't know. And here's the Kilominx. So, okay, this is way smoother than the square one. But, so it's basically a 3x3 version of the Megaminx that we reviewed later. So, you can turn like this. I think it's pretty easy, so it's basically the same as Megaminx, except it has these corners and no edges. But this Kilominx has these like little things that I think represent center colors. So it's basically where the colors you expect to be. So yeah, there's nothing new other than it's, and also it's a 2x2 version of a Megaminx. So yeah, and I think I can solve it. So I'll try to solve it later in the video. This is the Stackmat Timer, and I don't know how to open it. So now I'm going to take this off. This is what I have to do. What? So I'm just gonna disappear. So okay, first to function the Stackmat Timer, you have to press this red on button. Then a bunch of zeros will pop up. Then you put your hands on these things and immediately a red light will pop up. Within 2 seconds, a green light will pop up. That means the Stackmat Timer is ready to function. Then take your hands off and start solving the Rubik's Cube. And then once you're done, you press your hand on these things again and the timer will stop. And it'll show the time that you got. So you can save it, or if you don't want to save it, you can just press restart. So that's how the Stackmat Timer works. And in the WCA competitions, they'll use these Stackmat timers to check your time. I'll try to solve these in the next video. So these are all the things that we unboxed. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!